To make your Facebook account private on Android, follow these steps. Number 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device. Number 2. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Number 3. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Number 4. In the expanded menu, tap on Settings. Number 5. Under the Privacy section, tap on Privacy Settings. Number 6. You will find various privacy options here. To make your account more private, you can adjust the following settings. Who can see your future posts? Tap on this option and select Friends to ensure only your friends can see your new posts. Limit the audience for posts you have shared with friends or friends are public. Tap on this option to limit the visibility of your previous post to just your friends. Who can send you friend requests? Tap on this option and select Friends or Friends or Only Friends. If you want to restrict friend requests to a narrower audience. Who can see your friends list? Tap on this option and choose Only Me. If you don't want others to see your friends list. Who can look you up using the email address or phone number you provided? Tap on this option and select Friends or Friends of Friends to limit who can find you using your contact information. Number 7. You can explore other privacy settings and customize them according to your preferences. Note: Facebook privacy settings may change over time, so it's a good practice to periodically review and adjust your privacy settings to ensure your account remains private.